Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil and add 8 ounces elbow macaroni. Stir to prevent sticking. Cook for 8 minutes until al dente, then immediately reserve 1 cup pasta water before draining the pasta to save starch for thickening. If you plan to finish under heat, preheat oven to 375 degrees F if you want a baked topping. Otherwise, keep the drained pasta warm and move to the sauce stage for stovetop finishing. Start the sauce by melting 2 tablespoons butter in a saucepan over medium heat, watching so it does not brown. Whisk in 2 tablespoons flour and cook 1 minute to form a roux. This cooks the raw flour taste out and binds the sauce. Gradually whisk in 2 cups milk until smooth and simmer 3 minutes, stirring constantly to avoid lumps. The sauce should thicken enough to coat a spoon before you add cheese and seasoning. Remove the sauce from heat and stir 1 cup shredded sharp cheddar and 1/2 cup grated Parmesan into the sauce until melted and smooth, seasoning with 1/2 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper to taste. Combine sauce and pasta in the pot or a baking dish and add reserved 1 cup pasta water if the mixture seems too thick. Stir gently to coat evenly. For a crunchy top, sprinkle 1/2.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.